Welcome to my channel, Modern Talk English.
The wind feels cold today. I sit on this bench, watching people talk and laugh like it's easy.
You look so quiet, Lena. What's wrong? Your eyes tell a story of sadness.
I feel small, Maria. My English sounds broken and people laugh when I speak.
Don't let their laughter steal your voice, Lena. Everyone starts somewhere.
When I speak, I feel my hands shake and my face burns. I want to disappear.
That fear you feel is normal. Every speaker feels it before confidence grows.
But why does it hurt so much when they laugh? I only want to express myself.
Because you care deeply, Lena, but you must care more about your dream than their opinions.
I practice alone every night. I whisper simple sentences like, I eat, I study, I smile.
That's beautiful. The simple present tense is your foundation. Keep repeating it daily.
But my voice sounds weak, like a bird afraid to sing.
Then let's teach that bird to fly. Speak louder, even if your voice shakes.
In class, I always stay quiet because I know people wait for my mistakes.
Their judgment doesn't define you. Your effort does. You are brave for trying.
Sometimes I feel like I'm the only one struggling with English.
You're not alone, Lena. Every fluent speaker was once scared like you.
Maria, how did you become so confident in English?
I made peace with my mistakes. I decided to speak even when my grammar was wrong.
That sounds scary but freeing. I wish I could do that too.
You can. Say this, I speak English every day. I learn every day.
Okay. I speak English every day. I learn every day. Wow, that feels strange but strong.
See? That's power. Simple sentences, big impact. That's how confidence begins.
So I don't need hard words to sound confident.
You just need honest words spoken with heart.
I always waited for the perfect moment to speak, but it never came.
There is no perfect moment, Lena. The moment you speak is perfect enough.
I understand now. Silence keeps me weak.
Yes, and speech sets you free.
Yesterday I said one full sentence in English to my teacher.
That's amazing. What did you say?
I said, I feel happy today. And she smiled at me.
That's your first victory, Lena. Never forget that feeling.
You told me once to practice in front of the mirror. I tried it.
Good. The mirror is your best friend. It never laughs or judges.
I looked into my eyes and said, I am learning. I am improving.
That's the spirit. Speak to your reflection like a future fluent speaker.
I still get nervous when people talk fast. My brain can't follow.
It's okay. Listening takes time too. You train it like a muscle.
Sometimes I feel like quitting, though.
Then remember why you started. To connect, to dream, to grow.
You make learning sound simple, Maria, but it feels like climbing a mountain.
It is a mountain, but every step counts. I learn, I speak, I improve.
So I just need to walk every day, one word at a time.
Exactly. Small steps build big confidence.
Maria, sometimes people still laugh when I speak.
Let them. Their laughter shows your courage to do what they can't.
That's hard to remember when I feel embarrassed.
Turn embarrassment into motivation, Lena. You're growing. They're watching.
I like saying sentences with I. It feels personal.
Yes, I is your power word. I learn, I speak, I improve.
It's like I'm claiming my identity with every sentence.
Exactly. That's how English transforms you inside out.
Sometimes I dream in English now. Isn't that strange?
Not strange. Beautiful. It means your mind accepts the language.
So even my dreams are learning too?
Yes, your brain keeps practicing even when you sleep.
Maria, something changed today. I spoke to a stranger in English.
Really? That's wonderful. How did it feel?
It felt natural, like I wasn't afraid anymore.
That's what confidence feels like. Freedom through words.
I still make mistakes, though. Sometimes I mix tenses.
That's fine. Mistakes are proof of effort, not failure.
So every mistake means I'm moving forward.
Exactly. No mistakes, no growth.
I realize English is not about grammar, it's about courage.
Beautiful truth, Lena. Grammar follows, courage leads.
I used to speak with fear. Now I speak with heart.
And that makes your English powerful.
Maria, will you keep teaching me every day?
Of course, but soon you won't need me. You'll teach yourself.
I can't imagine that yet.
You will. Confidence will become your habit.
Maybe one day I'll help others who fear speaking too.
That's the best dream, Lena. To inspire others like you were inspired.
Then I'll start today. I'll tell someone not to give up.
Perfect. Confidence shared is confidence doubled.
Maria, thank you. You didn't just teach English, you taught me courage.
And you taught me hope, Lena. Your strength reminds me why we never quit.
Now I say it with pride. I speak English with confidence.
And no one, not one person, can laugh you out of your dream again.
This morning I looked at myself in the mirror and said, I am strong.
That's beautiful, Lena. Words shape how you see yourself every day.
I felt my fear getting smaller, like it was melting away.
That's because you finally believe in your power, not your doubt.
Sometimes I think I've learned enough and then I find something new.
That's the beauty of learning, Lena. It never really ends.
So even when I become fluent, I'll still be learning.
Yes, because growth is not a goal, it's a journey.
I started listening to English songs every night before bed.
That's a wonderful habit. Music helps your ears love the language.
Now I understand more words without translating.
That's your brain thinking directly in English. The best feeling ever.
Yesterday, I talked to a tourist in English at the park.
Wow, that's huge progress, Lena. What did you say?
I said, "Welcome to my city," and we had a full conversation.
That's amazing. You spoke naturally and confidently.
Maria, I never thought I'd feel proud of my English.
You earned that pride, Lena. It's the result of your courage.
Now when people laugh, I just smile back.
Exactly. Confidence makes laughter powerless.
Today, a girl in my class said she's afraid to speak.
And what did you tell her, Lena?
I told her, "Don't be afraid. Speak like you mean it."
You see, now you are the motivator. That's growth.
Sometimes my English still sounds simple. Is that okay?
Of course. Simple English is strong English. Clarity is beauty.
So I don't need to use big words to sound smart?
Number, you just need real words from your heart.
Last night I dreamed I gave a speech in English.
Really? That's a beautiful sign, Lena. What did you say?
I said, "Don't let anyone laugh at your English. Speak with pride."
That's not just a dream. That's your new reality.
Maria, I finally understand. Confidence is a choice, not a gift.
Exactly. You build it every day with your actions and words.
I speak, I learn, I grow, and I never stop.
That's it, Lena. You've turned fear into freedom.
To everyone listening, don't wait until you feel ready. Speak now, because every word you say brings you closer to confidence.
Never let anyone laugh at your English. Their laughter fades. Your growth stays forever.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be brave. Say it with us. I speak English with confidence.
And remember, friends, your English is not weak. It's growing, it's improving, and it's powerful, just like you.